Apply these mixtures help you remove wrinkles naturally without using cosmetics. Expensive creams and cosmetics are not the best option to get rid of wrinkles on the face. There are many easy home remedies to remove wrinkles and result in smoother, younger skin. I will guide you on how to remove wrinkles from the face without using makeup or expensive cosmetic treatments. Only with 3 natural ingredients that are available in your kitchen and our simple guidelines, you will have an amazing recipe to remove wrinkles on your face naturally at home, safe and effective. The first ingredient of this recipe is cornstarch. This ingredient contains antioxidants that help fight off free radicals that cause your skin to age prematurely by causing wrinkles. It also is an excellent ingredient that absorbs excess oil from your skin, while also helping clean the skin from deep within, leaving it soft, smooth, healthy, and vibrant. Now, take a bowl that contains 50 ml of water and add 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Should use cold water, as hot water will make cornstarch lumpy. Then stir well until these 2 ingredients are completely combined. Next, pour 100 ml of water into a saucepan and boil this water. Once the water is boiling, lower the heat. And pour the mixture of water and cornstarch into the saucepan. Stirring continuously until the cornstarch thickens. Then remove the saucepan from the stove. Pour all the mixture into a bowl and let it cool. While waiting, you can prepare the next ingredients of this recipe. The second ingredient is carrot. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene. When applied to the skin, the beta-carotene in carrots is converted to retinol, helping to regenerate cells and soften skin, therefore helps remove wrinkles. Now, cut 1 small carrot into small pieces. Then, add carrot into a blender. Blend until the carrot is completely puree. Pour puree carrot into a strainer and strain the carrot juice into a bowl. At this time, when your cornstarch mixture is cooled, add 1 tablespoon of carrot shoots into the bowl. And the last ingredient that needs to be added is yogurt. Yogurt contains lactic acid that dissolves dead skin cells. This gentle exfoliation not only helps to diminish the appearance of lines and wrinkles, but works to tighten pores, which helps smooth the skin. Make sure that you have unsweetened yogurt, as flavored yogurts may cause irritations and aggravate any existing pimples. Add 1 tablespoon of unsweetened yogurt to the bowl. Mix well to combine all the ingredients. Your wrinkle removal recipe is ready to use. Here's how to use it to remove wrinkles on the face. Clean your face with warm water. Then, apply evenly this mixture to your face. Let it for 40 minutes. Then, rinse with warm water. Repeat these treatments once a day for at least 1 month. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.